Surprise! It is time for April's Crochet Combat. We are your hosts.
I have not prepared one single bit for this video.
That's quite all right, but we're going to be the hosts for April's Crochet Combat. Oh my gosh. So we're going to get the first things first out of the way. Your submissions must be sent in by midnight on the 30th of the month. And we are going to give points based upon they are being free patterns, 1 point, paid patterns, 3 points. Your own design will get 5 points. We allow up to 3 duplicates of smaller patterns, and they all got to be in the same picture. You got to tell us where you found the pattern. Otherwise, we're going to just assume it was free. So tell us if it's your own pattern. If it's a paid pattern, let us know that what the pattern is so we can go check that it is a paid pattern. Knit items are welcome. No knitting machines. You can do tatting and you can do sewing as well. This is not sponsored by anyone. It is just sponsored by us. No one else is affiliated with this. It is not affiliated with YouTube in any way, shape, or form. Make sure that you are subscribed to me, Froggywentaknitting, and Maureen at My Crochet Story. We would really appreciate that. We are going to pick a couple of random winners at the end of the month, and it will be completely random. We have not decided what we're going to give away, so it'll be a complete surprise to you and to us. Now that we got all the rules out of the way, it's our birthday month. It is.
It's our birthday month.
It is our birthday month. So, what do you want to do? I don't know.
Well, birthday, obviously.
Okay, so we'll do something for a birthday. I guess you guys should make something related to birthdays.
Mm-hmm. And it has to be obviously birthday. It can't just be this is birthday. No, obviously birthday.
Yes. So like cake and candles, making sure that we know it has to do with a birthday. Mm-hmm. That would make sense perfectly. Bonus points if you use our favorite color. How about that? Mm-hmm. That would be good. I guess you'll have to figure out what that is.
If you've been watching us long enough, you'll know what our favorite colors are.
Yes. If you know us, you'll know our favorite colors. So bonus points. Yes, Froggy has 3 favorite colors. So bonus points if you use one of the 3. Ha ha ha. Just letting you know.
I only have 1, so.
Yep. He only has 1, but I have 3 favorite colors. So bonus points if you figure that out. If you've watched us, you will know what they are. Mm-hmm. Yes. I don't know. What else do you want to say about this? Who do they email? You can email either one of us. Mm-hmm. My email is froggywentaknitting@gmail.com.
Mine is Pawplyyarns@gmail.com, but they'll both be in the description box below.
Yes, they will be in the description box. Mm-hmm. So make sure that you send us your photos. They got to be with us by midnight on the 30th of April.
That's midnight Eastern, right?
Yeah, midnight. We'll give them midnight Eastern. That gives them a little extra time.
Because now you Brits, we're now in the same time zone. We're now sorted. So we're 5 hours now. Brits.
Yeah, we're 5 hours apart. Wow, this is going to be a whole lot of fun. I really hope you guys join in. Make sure it is birthday related. You could do all kinds of things. You could do a birthday crown. Woo!
Birthday cake, balloons, anything.
Anything birthday related. Yes. I am going to do a little snippet here at the end, even though other people might not approve. We are going to do a birthday live, and there will be giveaways. Mm-hmm. Just so you guys know, it's going to be a whole lot of fun.
That's on the 28th of April.
Yes, it is going to be on the 28th of April. We do want to make sure you do join in with Crochet Combat. We really would appreciate that. But I hope you guys join in and enjoy it. Follow the rules.
Bye.
We love you guys. Bye.